Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the Health and Beauty channel, and in this video we'll discuss the surprising science of baking soda, benefits you never knew about. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. If you think that baking soda is only good for cleaning, you're wrong. There are many surprising uses for baking soda. Baking soda can be used in your beauty regimen as well to keep your hair, skin, and nails healthy. You can use it to control dandruff or reduce wrinkles. In this video, we'll be sharing some surprising benefits you can get and probably never knew about baking soda. Fights acne and pimples. Baking soda can eliminate acne and pimples. Because baking soda cleanses germs, reduces swelling, and stops the spread of bacteria, and because it does all this without drying your skin or causing other problems that come with over-the-counter chemicals like sulfur treatments, it's a wonderful way to treat breakouts naturally. Baking soda helps maintain the skin's pH level, which can prevent breakouts. Brightens yellow teeth. Baking soda is a great way to brighten your smile. Because it is slightly abrasive, it helps remove the yellow stains left by cigarettes or tea. And because of its alkalinity, a property that neutralizes acid and plaque, baking soda can fight bacteria effectively. Add just a little baking soda to your toothbrush. Brush for 2 minutes using regular toothpaste as usual. Do it once every day or so for several days. Just make sure not to use too much baking soda if you experience sensitivity from its fizziness. Relieves sunburns and sunburn blisters. It's a good idea to keep some baking soda on hand during the summer. Because of its alkaline nature, baking soda is great for soothing sunburns. It will soothe burning and itching. It can also help blisters dry out quickly if you've been burned by the sun. Improves skin complexion. If you're looking for a cheap, easy way to make your skin brighter with even tone, try baking soda. Baking soda will help clean out dead skin cells and balance the acid levels in your face, both of which are important factors in having clear and beautiful looking skin. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Treats body odor. Baking soda can do an excellent job of neutralizing even severe body odor. It absorbs sweat from the skin, which removes one cause of bad smells, and it kills bacteria that makes us stink. Removes dandruff. Dandruff can be hard to get rid of, but it's not impossible. If you take good care of your hair and scalp, curing dandruff will become much easier. Baking soda is one effective way to clean the scalp and remove white flakes, so if that's been a problem for you in the past, I recommend giving this method a try. Apply 1 tablespoon of baking soda to your wet hair and scalp. Leave it in for a minute, then thoroughly rinse with water. Repeat this process once weekly. Treat smelly and oily hair. It's embarrassing to have smelly hair, but people with oily hair are more likely to experience this problem. Oily hair picks up things in the air, including strong smells that cling quickly. A good way to fix it is by using baking soda. It lowers oiliness and fights bad smells. Who knew baking soda could have so many uses? Although in this article we've only covered 10 of the benefits of baking soda, there are plenty more where those came from. Now before you throw out your baking soda, take a second to think about all of its potential uses. Some of them might just surprise you. Have you tried any of these steps? If so, share your thoughts in the comment section. If you learned something new from our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.